Now it's time to write. The directions say write and or draw an answer to the following questions. Who are the characters in the story? The story you just read, Fran grabs it. And what did you learn about them? What did you learn about the characters in that story? What happened to Fran at the end of the story? Now you have an option. You can answer the questions right here on this page by opening up I'm going to close it again so that you can see how you open up the toolbar. You can choose a pen or a marker, and then you can write your answers here. For example, one of the characters' name was Fran. Or you can choose the text box and open a text box on the page, and you can type. Here's another character, Greg. You can always go back and look in the text to find out. Or you can answer these questions in your reading journal, write them with a pencil, answer your questions in your paper reading journal, and then send a picture to your teacher. That's how you can respond to this writing prompt. Can't wait to see your answers.